everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you all are having a great day. So today's video is a little somber. So I went down this morning to turn the lights on for my two African dwarf frogs, and I discovered that one of them had passed away. I never got around to actually doing a video on them, so I decided, I guess this would just be the video for them now. I don't really know how old these frogs are, so I'm assuming that it has something to do with just the end of its lifetime, because I actually do pay attention to the pH balance and all that's involved when it comes to their water and all that. I test that, but I don't know how old the frogs are. I'm assuming, like I said, that it has something to do with it just reaching the end of its lifespan. Because I found these frogs actually on the side of the road. I was on my way home from work, and I saw a tank sitting outside of a house that people were recently moving out of, and it looks like the house was empty and nobody was there, and they left the tank behind, and inside the tank there was a whole bunch of guppies as well as these two frogs, and I ended up taking in the frogs and rehoming the guppies. And so I don't know the history of the frogs. I don't know how long they were alive before I got them. They were fully grown when I got them. Obviously they didn't grow at all, and I got them in the summertime, so it's definitely been about 6 months, if not more, since, well, not even, about 6 months, maybe a little bit less, since I got them. And you know, I took care of them. I took care of them pretty well, and I did the whole like water testing and making sure that everything was where it should be for them. So I know that it really wasn't so much necessary what I was doing to care for them, because I was doing everything that I was suggested to do, everything that I saw on research to do, and so he had a good run, and I had a good time taking care of them. I am going to probably find a new home for the last one, because I have no intentions of getting another frog. However, these guys don't do very, I mean, they can be alone, but I think they do better when they have other frogs to be with. So maybe I'll find somebody who can take in this singular frog, but at the same time, I'm not sure about it, because like I said, I don't know how much longer this frog has to live. I don't know how long it was alive before. So somebody could just getting a frog that passes away. So I probably won't like sell the frog. I'll just find a really good home for it, and you know, somebody who's willing to take in the frog regardless of how much time the frog has left. I have no intentions of getting more frogs, because I was just I've never been a big aquatic person, but I did really love frogs. It reminded me of my mom, who really does love frogs, so I have had fun taking care of them. But with just one frog, I think it's time to go ahead and rehome that bad boy and get him somewhere where there are other frogs for it to be with. And I'm pretty sure the one that's left is Naveen, because the other one was Tiana, and I could tell the difference because one was lighter than the other, and Tiana was the lighter one, and that is the one that passed away. So just a little update on that. You know, I've had a great time, you know, taking care of them, but you know, I'm not a big aquatic person. If I did get another aquatic animal, it's most likely going to be an axolotl, because they're really cool creatures, and I've always wanted another one of those. I had one before, and I would like to get another one, but that probably won't happen for a very long time. You know, I'm just going to go ahead and rehome this one frog and call it quits on the aquatic animals for a while. So anyway, that's just a quick update for you guys. You guys keep loving yourselves, love your family, love your reptiles, love your amphibians, love whatever animal you got, and y'all keep spreading those herbs.